Mix of bird shot, buckshot, jungle shot, double aught, number 4 buckshot. See how well it works.
He sucks dick. Like big weeder up his ass.
Huh?
I know you're recording, so I'm...
Yeah, I know. I cycled through everything. He's a little hot. We want that Ranger though. Let's see here. Bird shot. Double aught. What's this one? Number 4. Regular buckshot, double aught. And let's see what else we got hiding in here. Steel and barrel, number 4 buckshot. Well, it seems to eat everything.
Except for you didn't hit nothing because you didn't put a fucking target out.
Yeah, I know I ain't aiming for a fucking target. I'm just seeing how it's operating.
Christ.
So far, the Maverick eats everything we put into it. Got to try to find a slug, though. We got a slug hiding in the hole. Buckshot. Buckshot.
Okay.
Buckshot. Nope, this is just birdshot buckshot. Fiocchi double aught, 1,325 feet per second. See how this goes. Well, that was 100 yards and made it right clean of the fucking embankment.
Of course it would.
Smoking.
Buckshot's traveling at like what, 1,200 feet per second?
Say that again, Johnny.
I said, of course it would. Buckshot's traveling at what, 1,200 feet per second?
That was 1,325 feet per
Okay,
second.
that's a little over a quarter mile a second.
Huh? Huh? Uh-oh. You broke out the 22. We're all gonna die.
Maybe.
Well, you know. We got this loaded. Well, that's 10 rounds to the 10 gauge. I think that pretty well proves that it functions after the repair from the shop. Try and figure out where we're going to hydro dip this black bitch. Have fun, fuckers.